Hey guys, so today this is going to be a very special video because we have a new project at home. My wife actually wanted a car to learn driving, so I got this. It's last model Zen. Show you guys the interiors of the car. So if you can see, it's got multiple meters. Then it had a funky steering wheel, so the first thing that I did is I got rid of that. The seat has decent covers. Paint is decent, like throughout. If you see on the roof, it is good. So it's actually missing couple of stuff, like it's missing the rear wiper, and this door actually has a slight dent, and there is a dent on the roof. If you see here, there is a small dent. Plus, the previous owner or whoever did this has smoked the tail lights, which I think looks good, so I'm not going to change that. However, this is a monstrosity, so I'm going to change the headlights, both of them, and the bonnet also needs paint. This, and apart from that, the alloys actually look good. I kind of like the look on the alloys, but the funky part is somebody who doesn't know how to do this has gone ahead and done it, because the rotation is that way. All four tires have wrong rotation, so that is that. And other than that, the engine is good. None of the electricals work other than the AC. The AC works, and if you can see, I'm wearing the new t-shirt. The reflection, I don't know if you guys can see it, but if you can, then I'm wearing the new t-shirt. It's missing an antenna. So I've actually got a couple of stuff, like I said. I got the steering wheel, then there is a couple of things that were missing, like there is a piece that comes here. I got that. The door pads are horrible, as you can see, so I got new fiber ones. And say hi to this guy who's all healed up. We have still not named him. We have to do that. And none of the electricals, like I said, works. Inside, the lights don't work. Let me see if I can turn on the flash somehow. Okay, this should be better. So you guys can see the seats are decent, like the rear one is completely black, the front one, like I said, both the door pads are going to be changed. The dashboard is in decent condition, but whatever has been done with those meters there will leave some marks on the dashboard, so I'm not sure whether I'll get a new dashboard, but at least as of now I think I'll keep it the way it is. I have actually ordered all 4 new tires because these tires are dry rotted, so that is that. Some parts have like a little bit of bubbling, so this, I think this is a pearl color, if you can see the pearl in it, so I don't think only this can be fixed, so we might have to paint and blend the whole thing. Power windows don't work as of now. Like I said, none of the electricals work, so I have to get the electricals fixed first, and then first thing to go was the ugly looking headlamps. So I've got the headlamps, so let me show you. It starts. Okay, so it's on gear. This is reverse. Okay, neutral. So it starts without any drama, and those gauges do light up, but they show absolutely nothing. Let me take you to the gauges. Okay, so this is the air pressure, oil pressure, then there is a vacuum gauge, oil temperature, air fuel ratio. So I don't think it is connected to anything. It is reading rich. This has a broken thing, so obviously that doesn't work either. So like you can see, I can turn it using my hands. I know for sure there is oil in that, there is oil pressure, so that ring which goes around this is broken, so I'll have to fix that. I don't know what is in here. So yeah, you can see the combination switch is gone, so that is why it is always on. So some light is broken, that's why it's blinking this fast, both sides. Other than that, the catalytic converter is gone. That is what you saw as the flashing check engine light. There are a couple of things which are broken, like this is broken. So this is same as a Maruti 800, so I'll get it here. Plus I've ordered some stuff from Bournemouth as well. Like one shipment arrived today. So this is the stuff that I got. I got a gear boot, and there is a lower arm. Plus I'm ordering some more stuff. So today what I'm planning to do is I'm planning to take the entire floor apart and then apply some anti-rust treatment, because as you can see there is some bit of surface rust that is happening here. So I'll just remove it. You can see there is some more rust in there. So yeah, that needs fixing. So yeah, this is still a two-stroke channel. I just wanted to share this new purchase with you guys. That's why. Just a sec. Let me put this. Okay, so the engine has been painted with some kind of black on it. So I have some paint remover, and hopefully that takes care of that. So just need to remove it from here, a little bit here, condenser. The battery is brand new. Other than that, these headlights, yeah, look at the way they have been fitted. It's absolutely horrific how these headlights are. Somebody didn't even do the job right. Like you can see, there is a gap in there. So yeah, once there is some daylight tomorrow, I'll change the headlights. Other than that, there's nothing much to be done over here. Let me see, I didn't check how much. Okay, so I'll definitely get the brake fluid also flushed, because first thing that I do when I get a used car is I get all the fluids flushed. So yeah, you guys might think why I bought a rusty old beater of a car. Basically I wanted to buy a Zen always, and when the Zen were available new, at that time I didn't have money, and when I had money, these cars were pretty old and pretty tired. So what I did is, I finally, when my wife told me that she wants to get a car to just learn how to drive, basically she has a license, but she wants to learn. So I thought there can be nothing better than killing multiple birds with one stone. So that's how I got this. So this is probably the cheapest KL registered new shape Zen that I could find on the internet. I got it for a very sweet price, and obviously please guys don't ask me how much I paid for it, because that doesn't make any sense to anybody. I might have got a good deal or a bad deal, but that doesn't mean that that is the market price or that is how you're gonna get a deal. So usually whenever I say something, people do tend to ask me questions like how much I paid for it, or like what it cost me. So yeah, so this car definitely has a lot of plans. I have a lot of plans for it. I got a lot of stuff for it. I got new tires, I got all door pads, I got brand new headlights which don't look this hideous. So yeah, so let's hope soon there will be a restoration video on this as well. So most of the things I'm trying to tackle myself, like the interiors and stuff, electricals also. Some things which might go out of my hand, I'll definitely get professional help, but yeah, most of it would be done by me. So yeah, tell me in the comments what you feel about the Zen. I like it, I love it, in fact. So let me know what you guys think about it, and probably then look forward to see a couple of videos on that. I'll also show you guys a quick update on what happened to the RXZ. Some parts have come from the powder coating, so I'll do a separate video for this, so you guys have to wait. Got new tires also. So the only reason why I could not start the RXZ rebuild was because the parts from the paint are not yet back. So once they are back, then we can start the build. Everything is in place for it. So yeah, you guys let me know what you feel about the Zen, or if you want to see something specific about the car, let me know. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great night. Bye bye.